All right, this is going to be a lesson on 12 great riffs from Jimi Hendrix' Axis Bold as Love album. So we're going to start with the song If 6 Was 9. We have this easy riff here. We got 5 to 7 on the A. Okay, so it's 4 times that. It's like 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, so then after those 4 times, we're going to have. So he starts singing, and this riff matches his singing. So it's like 5 to 7, quick slide on the E string, 5 on the A, and then 7 on the A to 5 on the D and back. And we're going to pull that off, 7 to 5. So it's. Then we're going to go 5 on the A, big 7. Then we have 5, 7, 5, hammer on pull off to the open E. So we got. And then we're going to have 5, 7, 5 to 3 slide. Do that again. And then that first riff going up. Now this time we're going to go 5, 7, hammer 5 to 7, and then 5, 3, 0, double pull off on the E there. Then we go 5, 7, 5, 3, 0. Do that again. 0, 3, 0. That puts us into some chords. So let's look at all this again. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Sing the song, bro. Okay, now we're going to get into a chord. This is going to be 5, 4, 5, 5, D string down. So I got middle finger on the 5 on the D, then a 4, then a 5, 5. And you want to get your thumb up here on the big 5 if you can. Going to take that down 2 frets. We got 3s and 2s. Down 1 more, and then we're going to go to like an F with that 1 up there with a 3, 2, 1, 1 on the bottom. So it's like. So those last 2 chords were quicker, 2 beats each. So it's like. Now we're going to have like the top 4 strings open into like the E chord, 2, 2, 1. And then it goes. Okay, so that's going to be all of our stuff for this first one, If 6 Was 9. So that last thing again was. So we bent that 2 in the G string, bent it again, kind of down and pulled it off. It went into an open 2 on the D. Same thing with the chords, and then. So O2 on the A, O2 on the D. Same on the G to the open G string. So from the chords again, we got. Okay, we're going to move along to the next song. This is Wait Until Tomorrow. Okay, so that's the first part of that one we're going to do. So we have the 9s, part of an E chord. We got D, G, and B strings on those 9s. We're going to hammer into the 11 on the D and the 10 on the B at the same time. Okay, so we have a hammer. Hammer and pull off, hit the chord again, kind of a chick, kind of a picks, kind of a muted hit there, so. See that? And then we got. So we have 9 to 11 on the A, to those middle strings, that chord there. 2 big E's. Then we go down 2 frets, do the same thing. Back to the first one. Lower one. Okay, then we're going to get into an A chord. And I'm just gonna do this one kind of version of this. He mixes things up every time, you know. So we got the A, we got 7, 6, 5, 5, A chord. I'm doing that bass. I'm kind of muting the A string. So one of the riffs he does in here, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9. And then we're gonna go to a E bass. We're gonna have a 7, 10, 7 on the bottom. And then we're gonna have a little 9 with the 7s to the 7s, and then kind of 10 and 7 to 7s down here. You could hit an extra 7 there if you want. So it's okay, so just to give you a little simple version of that one. Now the next one is Spanish Castle Magic. We're just gonna do this main riff on this one. We got. Okay, so we have a 2, 2 to the big open, to that 4 in the A, so. Sometimes he'll go on the same string, but mostly he'll go that E note, 2 on the D, back to that C sharp, so it's like. Now here I'm trying to get those bottom 2, but I'm gonna put that 4 in the G string sometimes, make sure I don't get an accidental open G string. And seems like you could kind of use this whole chord here, this kind of C sharp 7 thing, 4, 3, 4, open, open. And like the second time it'll go 2, 4, 0, 4. So it mixes it up a bit. Okay, I'll give you one more part of this for a baker's dozen of riffs. Here we got. That's 2, 2, 4, 4, down 1. Down another one, 4, 6, 6. And then bring those 6s down. So 3 and 4 and. Now this is Little Miss Lover. This is a riff right before a solo. We got. Okay, so we have 2 on the D, 4, 3, 2 open on the A, big open to 2 to that octave, 4 in the D. So second one goes. So we had a, and then kind of a quick open on the A to the big 2. And then the third one is the same as the first. And the fourth one has 2 hits on that too. You have to do all those fast to make up for it. Okay, so one more time through this. 3, 4. Okay, one other great thing in this tune, we're gonna have a chord up here, 9 with the middle finger on the A, and then mute the D and have a 9, 10 down after that. Kind of part of like a raised 9, but it's kind of more minor 7 on this case. So we're gonna have some pick scratches on this too. So we got. Okay, so chick, chicka, chick, 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 chicka, chick, chick, chick. And he'll variate that up a bit too. Okay, so moving on, we got Ain't No Tellin' now. We got another kind of raised 9 chord here. C sharp 7, raised 9. We're gonna have. Okay, so we have down, up, down, and then down, down, 3, 4. So after a little bit, we're gonna have. So 9 to 11 on the D, 9 on the G, back to those 2 notes, and then 11 to 9 to 7. Kind of a quick one on the A, so it's. We have a little walking bass. So we had big open, slide into the 4, 2 on the A, do the same thing starting on the F sharp, 2, kind of slide into the 6, to the 4, slow on the 2 on the A, to the 3, and we'd be back to that chord. Okay, so it's like. Okay, now the next one is You Got Me Floatin'. We got. Okay, so we kind of start with these middle 7s. Go to the 7s on the 3rd and 2nd strings. So we hit those a couple times. We hit the 7s and pull it off. Here we can start on the 7 on the A string. Do those middle 5s and go to the big 8. Little hammer on pull off here. Same as the first one. And then start on the 8. So we got a big 8 and then kind of these D to B string 5s. And you can do like 3 strings on these two, on the 7s and stuff. Then it kind of goes to the A string down 3 there for that last one. So it's like. Okay, so that's that little part. We got a little riff here. We got. Okay, so we have 3 on the A, 3, 3, 5, 5, and then O, 3, 4, 5 on the big string. All it does here, go to the bigger 5 that time. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. This has a great little triplets riff in Bold as Love. We're going to start on the 13 with the 9 and 9. We're going to go. So 4 sets of that. We're going to go down to the 8 with 4s. And then we're going to go to the 9 with 6s. So this is like a minor where those were majors. And then we're going to have 11 and 7s and 12 and 8s, but we're going to do those faster, so just 2 each. And then we're back to the 13 with 9, so 3, 4. That was 13 riffs from Jimi Hendrix's Axis Bold as Love album. I got 2 pages of tabs. Hope you dug that. Let me know if there's more riffs on that album you'd like to learn. Talk to you soon. Thanks.